You like eating your rice cereal? Farah, do you like eating your rice cereal? You're almost 5 months old. Oh, wow. That's a nice sound. Oh, is that Bella? That's Bella. You have such a nice smile. Oh, wow. What's your brother doing outside? Oh, there he is, over there. Mowing the grass. And we're back to you. Hi. How are you today? Yeah? Oh, wow. Good girl. Vera, look here. Vera, look here. Look, look. Vera. Hey, Vera. What's this? Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. What, Mitchell?
It's lots of poops. It's one poop.
You saw poop?
And two poops.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I saw them there.
In the yard? Are they Bella's poops?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Come
well,
on, Mama.
Okay, we'll go pick them up in a minute, okay?
Okay.
After I'm done feeding baby Farah. Oh, wow. Are you mowing the grass? Oh, no, that stays outside, honey. Outside.
Ooh.
I love you.
Ooh. It's still... Let's hurry, go faster, like this.
Oh, be careful.
My tummy hurts.
Your tummy hurts?
Yeah. I'll keep a lot.
You what a lot?
I run a lot.
You ran a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Look at me fasting wing.
What is baby Farah doing?
Okay, and if you care.
What is she doing?
It's in his chair.
She's eating her chair? Yeah, she is. That's pretty silly, huh?
I get up.
You want to get up in my lap? Okay, let me get you.